Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie today, and we are going to be taste testing these bananas. They are Monte Cristo bananas. They are in the Cavendish group, but this is a AAA type of banana. What that means basically is it's a triploid group, but all three of the genetic strains that it's coming from are from the acuminata. These tend to be very sweet bananas, but they also tend to be very cold sensitive. So we're going to go ahead and give them a try though. We did get some fruit this year. And I actually have had one of these earlier, and they were really good. So let's see how these are. These are different ripe stage here. The very first initial bite tastes just like a Cavendish, but there's a double sweetness behind that comes. It's really very good. It's like it's a little bit like banana pudding.
Yeah.
But it does have all of the flavor compounds that that you'd get in a grocery store Cavendish. It's just a lot sweeter. Really very good. I could eat all of these.
And it's a dwarf plant. So it's
Dwarf plant. Actually, I don't know the plant. I don't know where it is in our yard. Didn't know we had this one.
near the pool.
So, anyway, that's really good. Downside again of this is it being AAA is it's going to be pretty cold sensitive. We have not had any cold weather here in Sarasota in a long time. But if you've got a protected area, any place that you can keep it from getting, anywhere too close to freezing, these might do well for you. If you can find them either. I don't know.
Yeah, these came from the repository in Miami, and they seem to be labeled correctly.
Oh, well, there you go. So they are around if you're looking for them, and that's Monte Cristo. And I would give that one, 9 out of 10. I'd give it a 10, except I like a dense banana, and that is the same consistency as a grocery store banana. It's a little too fluffy for me.
Yeah.
But
I'd probably say stay with the 9.
yeah, but the flavor is it almost tastes like that banana gum.
Yeah.
It's just that it's really. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.